Welcome everyone. This video is going to be really short, and we're going to analyze what the Bitcoin price has been doing since my previous video, because as you can see right here, we have these lines which would be about the consolidation we were expecting in Bitcoin price, and now we see how this red candle has been smashing the Bitcoin price again to the 77k after almost reaching 80k price. And we're gonna see what actually is going to do, if it's really gonna continue up, because now it's a lot of people with a lot of sentiment saying that we're gonna go all the way to 90, 200, and even making higher highs. Let's see if that's possible or not, guys. Welcome everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like, and that being said, we're gonna start first with the weekly. We're gonna see how it closed yesterday. You can see here, it is pretty good the way we closed yesterday. As you can see in the weekly already, we're super bullish. I have been saying to you many times since we were around this area, around the 60s, 60, 65. I was saying it's time to buy, it's time to buy. And now you see how the Fortuna line have no strength, but still we pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing all the way to 100k. No, guys, you know already what I'm thinking right now. This is just a bull trap. I do think that we're gonna go around this area and this area potentially, just to liquidate everybody and then go to the downside. Let's see by the time when that happens, how are we with the green valley right here. I'm expecting to go down when we still have the green valley, and after that we're gonna continue to the direction of the red valley. That is just the probability right now. It's not 100%, it's all about probabilities, guys, but this is what I see right now. Just to remind you again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you should do it like this. You're gonna be always on front of what it comes. And in the daily, let me go and check the daily, because I was saying to you that we're going to have this consolidation, and we need to pay attention if we go below 71 by Monday, which will be today. But still, that's still not happening, guys. We're still holding this price. The blue line, which is the 10 EMA, is still holding. The question is for how long, because you see the time is already passing, and we potentially going to start forming a red valley that it will be evolved in the next days. So either we're gonna do that, I mean, we need to do it. Even here, like in these times we didn't want it to, was just going slowly, and potentially something like that, we're gonna do that. In the best case scenario, I was saying to you, we may be a small green valley, but that's not what I see right now. And if we go even deeper in a small time frame, so just before that, we should be checking up these areas. But if you can see, it's around the 73, 72, more like this should be the resistance areas to see. But the mainly is the 55 EMA, which is around right now is sitting around 73. Maybe we go to the 71 to liquidate everybody, but we should not go below, guys, because if we go below, that means that there is no position for us to put there talking about future trades, because that's why I was saying to you as well, I'm de-risking 50% already of the daily, because the potential to continue going up is lower. So what we want to do is to de-risk and then see what the Bitcoin price is doing when the time is passing. How do we know when the time is passing? Well, you can go to the description below. I have a free tutorial how you can set up all the indicators I use on TradingView completely for free. And like this, we can be counting the time. Remember, the daily is something will happen in the around 8 to 12 days. And like this, we can be already analyzing how it will evolve. And since we sold over here, now we just wait, because we should have the consolidation I have been saying to you, or we should go down to retest the 55 EMA, and that should hold in order to continue going up. This is just or it should be just the the third wave, which is put everybody in doubt, and after that we should continue going up all the way to 120. No, guys, I had been clear that we should go to the 55 EMA and the weekly, which is sitting around the 87k, and potentially we can go even to the 90k. And after that, for now I'm saying after that we're gonna continue going down, but we need to see how the time, that's why I always mention the time is so important, guys. We need to see how the time is, what time we have once we are reaching those levels. So for now, remember, we need to continue going up. Potentially we're gonna have a bounce in the 55 EMA. If we go here and the next week, so this week and the next days to come, if we hold in those prices, we're going to continue going up. So this is going to be something important to jump in if you're still not. If you're still not, just to make a small trade to the opposite, guys, to the opposite. So keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm going to come every day and share to you what I see from the market. Right now, we have been done much since my previous video. We're actually doing what I say in my previous video. It's like Bitcoin is synchronizing with my videos on YouTube, guys. That's why you should do it as well, and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Sorry to mention many times, guys, but that's the way you will help to my channel, and also you help me a lot since I trying to come every day here or every 2 days beside my main job and give you all these insights completely for free. So hopefully you learn something about it, guys, because it's the only way to go. I mean, you need to find a way to work and learn yourself as well, because we're not going to be there all the time. I'm not going to be there all the time, but I come here in order to show you so you can learn. You can do it by yourself in the future. So that being said, we see again, this is something I was pointing last time, like in the 1 hour chart, something that go according to the fractals. It will be happening in the bigger time frames as well. We see how it has having this consolidation. I also mentioned we will have that consolidation. Now we see it right here, and we see how massive candle to the downside we have again, and now the time for the rate valid is coming. So this is something that will evolve today and tomorrow, and there is the possibility that we continue going down. Why? It's the 4 hour chart, and you see already the daily is running out of time. Even if the Fortuna line is above the horizontal line, the time is already not in our favor. That's why any retracement here, I mean, we need to just wait to see what the price is gonna do in the next days. For now, we're counting this should be an area to go to the opposite. Which opposite would be, let me just make it better, like this and like this. This is the consolidation we have been having all this time. If we break this, then we're going to continue going side down. We need to control and see what the time here is doing, also the Fortuna line. But for now, we take it as we have it. It's pretty much the same what I'm saying to you. I mean, you see this massive red candle over there, but it's actually is nothing. We just continue up, down, consolidation, up, down. That's it. Maybe we have another consolidation. We go a little bit down, then we continue going up again. So just take it as a consideration, guys. If you want to make a small trade, also in the description below there is some links affiliated for some exchange where you can have also a nice coupon code. When you register for that, and like this, you're also going to be supporting my channel. So that being said, in the 4 hour chart, we're expecting to be in the next 24 to 48 hours. And still, I see the consolidation I was telling you before, and there was tiny small frame time, which is the 1 hour chart. This should be something about 6 to 10 hours, and that time should be passing. And the time is running. I will give a couple hours more, and if we don't continue, if we don't go down. I mean, we're going to continue going up, as I was saying to you, but keep in mind that we can also come and reach the bottom of the consolidation, and we don't want to break it. That's why I normally just trade 4 hours, guys, 4 hours, 1 day and a week. So there you have, we're pretty much in the same consolidation. I'm gonna come tomorrow. I can, guys, but I will be Wednesday, but Wednesday we should have already some development, hopefully, and the Bitcoin price. So hope that this video help give you some insights of what to expect in the next days. And remember, guys, subscribe to the channel, smash the like, share with a friend, and see you next time. Bye bye.